Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you 4 DIY Buffalo Plaid print Christmas decorations. These can be more on the rustic side if you like the more rustic style Christmas decoration, or you can keep it more polished. But let's jump in and I'll show you my 4 DIY Buffalo Plaid print Christmas decoration ideas. For this first DIY Buffalo Plaid print Christmas decoration, you are going to need a wood round. You can find these wood rounds at many different places right now in different variations. You can find them at your local hardware store, Hobby Lobby, craft store. You can also find these at your local Target dollar spot. I found mine at the Target dollar spot and it was $3. Mine did come with a jute string tie so I could hang it or put it on a shelf, so I like that versatility. Next, you are going to need something to decorate it with. You can Mod Podge this with really cute Buffalo Plaid print Christmas paper. You could use a really cute Christmas card, holiday decor stickers. You could find something similar to my sticker on Etsy, or you could hand paint onto this. But I did find my Buffalo Plaid print vinyl at Hobby Lobby in the Christmas section for $7.99 and then 40% off. And I just cut my own sticker on my little silhouette. Once I did remove the paper backing and took the transfer tape and transferred the sticker onto my wood round and pressed it really well, removed the transfer tape, I thought it didn't look quite finished and looked a little off balance, so I added a few more little snowflakes and thought it turned out really cute. Next, I took this little floral embellishment I DIY'd from the Dollar Tree. I'll link the DIY Christmas video I created it in at the end of this video. I just hot glued the little embellishment at the top, and that is it. That is the final look and the first DIY. I think this came out really cute, and you could also give this as a DIY Christmas gift. For the second DIY Buffalo Plaid print Christmas decoration, what you are going to need is a wood block. You can find these wood blocks at a few different places. One, go to your local craft store. They have these usually. I bought mine for $3.99 and used a 40% off coupon, so it really came out to be about $2. Or you can go to your local hardware store, buy a long piece of wood, and they'll usually cut it down into your specific dimensions that you are wanting. So you could use these as Christmas gifts, or you could make little block sets and use them as Christmas decorations. It's totally up to you. I painted my little block white, but you could paint yours whatever color you wanted. And I did create my own little Buffalo Plaid print Christmas tree, but you can Mod Podge with holiday Christmas cards, gift bags, scrapbook paper, use holiday little stickers. It's totally up to you. I did remove the paper backing from my sticker, stuck the transfer tape on, rubbed it really well, and then pulled the transfer tape off. This next step is definitely optional, but I wanted to give it the distressed look. I wanted the distressed Christmas look for this decoration. I took fine grit sandpaper and just roughed up around the edges so that the real wood color did shine through, but it's definitely up to you, and you could make this as rustic as you wanted with the sandpaper. You could definitely rough up those edges just a little bit more and create that rustic full-on look. It's totally up to you, but I love it. So next, what I'm going to do is take my jute string, came from the Dollar Tree. I thought this little block needed something, but I didn't want to add any more vinyl to it because I wanted my Christmas tree to be the star of the show. So I doubled up the jute string and just created a really cute little bow at the center of the Christmas tree. And then I just cut the little ties pretty short. This step is definitely also optional. It's totally up to you, but I thought it added quite a bit to this little block and finished it off perfectly. And once it's tied, it is ready to go. I had to clean up my mess. And there you go. That is the final look to this second DIY. For this third DIY Buffalo Plaid print Christmas decoration, you are going to need a mirror. You can find these at Hobby Lobby. I'm sure Walmart carries them. I found mine at the Dollar Tree for $1. And then I created this vinyl sticker on my silhouette out of the Buffalo Plaid print vinyl. I removed the paper backing and just stuck it on with my transfer tape and rubbed it really well and then pulled the transfer tape off. But you could definitely use holiday stickers for this. These make really darling DIY neighbor gifts that are super inexpensive. You could also give this as a cute Christmas decoration to somebody. I would pair this with an easel so they could display it on a shelf. And it's so cute and so inexpensive. I mean, really, I created this for probably $1.25 total. But I love it and it's different, and that's the final look. For this fourth and final DIY Buffalo Plaid print Christmas decoration, you are going to need a round glass jar. I found mine at the Dollar Tree for $1, but Family Dollar carries these, Walmart, Hobby Lobby. You can find these pretty much at any craft store. Next, you are going to need some holiday stickers to decorate this with. I created my little Buffalo Plaid print stickers on my silhouette. I just did a trio of snowflakes, removed the paper backing, stuck the transfer tape on, rubbed it really well, and pulled the transfer tape off. But I would suggest holiday stickers. I think it would be so cute, and I think the stickers add so much to this little jar and makes it unique. Plus, you could give this as a DIY Christmas gift, and this could double as a very cheap, inexpensive DIY neighbor gift, friend gift. I mean, this does not look cheap when it's finished, and I'll definitely show you that. So next, I'm going to take some jute string. I liked the rustic Christmas decoration look with the buffalo plaid, so I wrapped the jute string from the Dollar Tree around the little jar a few times and then tied a little bow. I adjusted it, so I wanted it to look perfect, so I just kept adjusting and changing the size because I didn't want it to be a huge bow. I just wanted it to be dainty, and then I clipped the ends of the jute string. That step's optional if you don't like jute string or like the rustic look. Next, I'm taking some Epsom salt and pouring the Epsom salt in the bottom, and then I take a battery-operated candle from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just sticking it in that jar, and that is the final look. I love this. Thank you so much for watching my 4 DIY Buffalo Plaid print Christmas decoration ideas. I really appreciate it. If you did like this video, definitely give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss any of my other fun Christmas decoration DIYs. I will link a few fun videos at the end of this video, and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye guys!